Hello and welcome to How to Play Left, Right, Middle, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the giant dice game Left, Right, Middle. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 3 to 8 players. To play, you will need the Left, Right, Middle dice game. Thanks to Go Sports for providing the game used in this video. Each player in the game is given 3 coins to start the game. Any leftover coins are set aside and not used in the game. The object of the game is to be the last player in the game with any coins. Coins will move around during gameplay based on the dice rolled. For every L symbol rolled, the player will pass a coin to the left. For every R symbol rolled, the player will pass a coin to the right. For every M symbol rolled, a player will place a coin into the middle pot. The coins in the middle pot become out of play. For every dot symbol rolled, the player will keep a coin. Players will take turns rolling the dice. The first player rolls the dice and gets a left, right, and a dot. The player will pass 1 coin to the left, 1 coin to the right, and will keep 1 coin. After all required coin movement is made, the dice move clockwise left to the next player to take a turn. If a player has 3 or more coins, all 3 dice are rolled. If a player only has 2 coins, only 2 dice are rolled. If a player only has 1 coin, only 1 die is rolled. If a player does not have any coins, they do not get to roll, but they are still in the game as they could still be passed a coin. Once only 1 player is left with any coins, the game is over. The player still with coins is the winner. That wraps up How to Play Left, Right, Middle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.